Please like, share and subscribe to Doit Industries India Private Limited and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
So for me, Doit is one-stop solution for our jewelry industry with all the latest technology there in the market and which keeps on upgrading. For me, Doit is that. As far as technology is concerned, Doit comes with the latest equipment with lesser price. It helps us to build our own company with less amount of gold loss and with new technology and with faster production. The most important part of Doit is their services, their technology, which is very affordable, very user-friendly, and lasts long. So I think that is the combination between all of them. For jewelry industry, I think their revolution is their EP machine, which costs very less, and the results are much better, and it helps us to do a fast production in our industry. So I think the EP is doing very well. Doit is like a family for us, and which help us in every segment of our jewelry. Mainly, their services are very good. One call away, every person will talk to you very humbly, and each person is available, including Bhavik Bhai. So everyone is very nice. I think Doit is the right. They have a right product. They are right people and with right technology, and they keep on upgrading, and they keep us aware about the new upgradation of the technology. So I think Doit is the way to go.
Doit is my partner in technology. Doit, the services are excellent, the products are genuine, no adulteration, nothing. Everything as per requirement and in time. Technology is always upgraded, always up to the mark and always upgraded. It's very prompt. It's very prompt and very efficient, and the services of really high quality. Doing business with Doit enhances our productivity. Doing business with them because of their promptness, service, honesty helps us and generate new ideas before time. We are using extensively plating plant and plating materials from Doit and are at par with any international company. Furthermore, the enamel colors and are of really high quality. Also, we purchase and use resin for 3D printing and other subjects, for our casting facility.
It is difficult to say what is a Doit exactly. It's a partner. It's helping in doing our business. So basically, Doit is you can say one-stop solutions for a jewelry manufacturer.
Basically, we are looking Doit for a technology which they are eliminating imported technology. Exactly like our Prime Minister is saying, make in India. So they are heading towards that. One thing I want to add about this company, the service part. Basically, we are using their EP machines. On one call, they are there, always for helping. When you are using machines in prior stage, you have a lot of problems. They are always up for resolving the problem. So I would recommend everybody to go and see and meet them and try to take their services, try to take their machinery, and try to be their partner also, because this kind of company is rare in India, because they are coming up with their own manufacturing unit. Everything is in-house, and especially I know Bhavik Bhai. So very good people, and my all best wishes for them to make a huge company. We are awaiting for them to see do it something a next level.
Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Gautam Shah. I used to be working with Asian Star Company Limited, and that is how I got to know Bhavik, because at that point of time we were using Ispana, the polishing machine. So when he came to see that what kind of machine is that, and he started developing some course of that kind of machine, I think he was ready with the machine in somewhere just after COVID, which was 2021, and I think I was the first person to get a demo at his place, and I was stunned looking at it, because the price structure of Ispana and the electropolishing what Bhavik as in Doit Impacts has developed is supposed to be very good at the price what they are selling with. And I was very happy after I refined the portion or the slurry from the machine, and which resulted to 99.2%, where I was stunned. Now let me tell you against that, Ispana is also a good machine, but again looking at the price point, I would rather buy the electropolishing from Doit than anyone else, because the price point of electropolishing is much lower, 1/4 of the price of Ispana. And again you have to import the slurry, the media, everything wherever it is worn out, and when you change, so that is also a big headache. Importing outside locally and importing in seeds is a vast difference. So I would rather prefer to have someone local, so that even at the last moment, if I get to know that my media and everything is over, I can just pick up a phone and tell Doit to supply me, and it is ready with them, and get it within 24 hours. Repeatedly after what I said, the machine as such does not have any service requirements, but still, just in case if your programming or your quality and is not proper, and if you let them know that what problems you are facing, I have seen in 1 or 2 instances they are very prompt, and I think I am lucky enough to be in MIDC, so in an hour's time I got the service, and which was very much satisfying. And I appreciate that, Bhavik, to say that please keep it on and keep going as the same way what you are. I have not seen anything as the service point or the machinery point. Whatever I have purchased from Doit is lacking in quality or any sort of constraints. That's all I can say. It's as of now supposed to be the best of the best what I'm using, and I'm very, very happy about it. Thank you very much, Bhavik. I really appreciate once again. Most of the products what I'm using as in machines for the manufacturing part from Doit Impacts is electropolishing, the higher tumbler, which is a tumbling machine, and all my ultrasonics are from Doit. I think most of the major parts of what is supposed to be the best is used by Doit. Thank you so much.